Well, hello there YouTubers, time to break the ice on yet another YouTube video. This is a Carrera Vulcan that has been bodge built with random parts I found on the shed floor at a friend's house. So what have we got then? We've got the Carrera Vulcan XC disc specific frame, the disc mount on there. It's got the Tektro IO mechanical disc brakes on it. It's got the standard intuitive crankset on here. It's got Shimano LX rear derailleur, not SLX, it's old school LX, shifting the 7 gears from the freewheel road disc rear wheel that happens to be on this thing. This is the wheel that actually did come with the bike. My mate lost the other one because he put it on another bike. He's moving out my way, darn it. The suspension forks are these mighty RST Giller TL suspension forks from around 2004. They have the fork condoms on there, as you can see. They're absolutely fantastic, nothing to worry about there. There's some hammer marks there for reasons completely unknown. It's using the SRAM grip shifters. These are grip shift max comps, which are like, they're obviously a pretty low end shifter. They're a grip shift. They're slightly better than the ones you get on Walmart bikes, but not by much. It needs grips. It's got some random junk on there at the minute just to get it here. There's no brake on the front at all. It's just running a generic front wheel. It's pretty light. I'd also say that it's got its standard Carrera headset as well. I absolutely hate these things, but hey ho, it's working and functional, so we'll leave it at that. Yeah, it's quite a light bike, and considering it's made out of complete trash, it's kind of funny. It's got these awful pedals on it which need to be changed, but apart from that we're all good. And it does slip in one of these gears on the freewheel, so I might change the freewheel as well. I don't know if you can see that, the teeth are a bit rounded off on there. So freewheel and chain, although this is a budget build, so we'll leave the chain I think and see if it slips or not. If it don't slip we'll leave it. If it does slip, hey, we'll change it. That doesn't come up wear on the chain wear tool, so or on the chain wear tool surprisingly. Some of the rollers do look bad. I went round checking the whole thing. I'd probably find some are worse than others. But yeah, this is the pressed steel quadro rear hubs. So that's actually a pressed steel hub. So we're talking high end, top of the range here. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, that concludes this video on the bodge built Carrera Vulcan from Random Parts. Oh no, it doesn't. We have a Apollo seat on here, a steel seat post and a non-adjustable seat clamp. That does conclude the video. See you later.